Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to download and install Internet Download Manager totally free and legally from Internet Download Manager website. To download IDM, first of all, we will open any of the browser. Here we have Chrome, we will open it. Then on the Google, we can write IDM. On the first link, which is on Internet Download Manager website, we will click on it. Here you can see the details about Internet Download Manager. So we will click on Try IDM 30 days free trial. You can see the IDM download has started and it is 11.7 MB. The setup file has already downloaded, so we will open it. We will right click on IDM setup. We will run it as administrator. Yes. Next. Accept. Next. Create an icon for IDM on desktop. And next. And finally finish. Once we finish it, then we have to enable the extension. We will close this one. Here we have to enable IDM integration module. We have to click on enable extension. As you can see, the extension has successfully installed. We will close it. Now we will check it whether it is working or not. Now let's open Google and let's search for example, computer network.pdf. On the first link, which is a PDF file, we'll click on it. As you can see, it is working properly. Start download, and the download has started. So this was all for today's video. In the next video, I will try to activate IDM without any product key. So see you in the next video. Thank you.